If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some nice easy new recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel. From my previous video I did mention I'm going to make some masala chips, and how I'm going to make that I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, I've made the sauce and I've marinated it onto the chips. It looks delicious. Wow. Mashallah. Let's get to the recipe. So guys, to make the masala chips, here are the ingredients. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of butter. I've got some freshly cut chilies. I've got a bit of salt, but probably a tablespoon approximately. Some Nando's Peri marinade, lemon and herb. And I've got some medium Nando's marinade. I've also got some ketchup that I'm going to be using and some Sriracha sauce. So yes guys, this is all I'm going to use to make the masala chips. So I'm going to put in the 1 tablespoon of butter into this pan and just ensure that it melts. And then after that I'm going to put in some ketchup. That should be enough. And after that I'm going to put in some Sriracha sauce. Bismillah. Obviously guys, the Sriracha sauce, the amount that you put in depends on yourself. If you like it chili, then you can add in as much as you like. And now it's time to add in some of the peri marination, the medium. Okay guys, so put in the peri marinade. Should be enough. Guys, it's optional if you want to add in some lemon and herb marination. I want to put a bit of lemon in there, so lemon taste, so add a little bit of that in there. And guys, you can add in the fresh chili if you want. This is optional, you don't need to add it in, but I want mine a bit more chili. So add this in. Then also add in some salt according to your own taste. So add that in. And then just mix it. Okay guys, so just mix that. Mix it well. Keep the heat and flame on medium. So once it starts heating up, you see bubbles appearing to the sides of the sauce, then you know that it's made. So just mix it and ensure that the butter here is completely melted in there. So continue mixing until you can see that the sauce is bubbling. The bubbles are forming, so just continue mixing until the sauce thickens a little bit, but not too thick. Okay guys, so now that the sauce has slightly thickened compared to before, so it's ready to go now guys. So you can keep it on a bit longer if you want, so it thickens according to your own taste. If you like it a bit thicker, then fine, but if you like it a little bit runny, then that's about it guys. Look, the sauce is ready. So yeah, let's just put it into a bowl and then leave it until we're going to serve it with our food at iftar time, inshallah. Guys, now I'm going to put in the sauce, ready-made sauce, into this container. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And there you have it guys, a very easy way to make masala sauce. And there you have it guys, your masala sauce is ready. You can use it as a topping, which I've done to the tandoori chicken which we had last week. But if you make the sauce, you can mix it in well with the chips, and that's it. Your masala chips is ready. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, you can click the channel logo to the top left of the screen. Jazakallah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.